Okay, so this is a continuation of section 2.2. We're looking at question 44. Owner of a skating rink rents the rink for parties at $600 if 50 or fewer skaters attend, so that the cost per person is $12 if 50 attend exactly. For every 5 skaters above 50, she reduces the price by 50 cents. So if you have 5 more than 50, that'd be 55. She reduces the cost per skater by 50 cents. And go up by another 5, and she reduces it by another 50 cents. Go up another 5, reduces it each time all the way down. Now, how do you know what the revenue is? Well, the number of skaters times the cost per skater. And you do this all the way down, and you see it increases all the way up to here. This is where you get the highest point, is at 85, which is 722.5. Okay, and they ask, does it increase as you go from 50 to 70? Yes, it does. Write the equation that describes the revenue for parties with X more than 50 skaters. So, X more than 50, so it's 50 plus 5 times X. Each decrease of 50 cents gives you 5 more skaters. Okay, and so $12 is the original price, minus 50 cents for each 5 skaters you have. So this is the number of 5 skaters you have, times 5. So if you have two sets of 5, that's 5 times 2, or 10. That's 50 plus 10 is 60. If you have 4 groups of 5, that's 4 times 5 is 20. 20 plus 50 is 70. And so on. So that X is how many groups of 5 you have. So you multiply that out, right in descending order, and then they want you to find the number of skaters that will maximize your revenue. You do negative b over 2a, and then plug it back into the number here, so you get 50 plus 5 times 7, which is 85. Right there, 85 skaters maximizes your revenue at $722.50. 45, pension. What kind of function might be used to model the agency's total resources? Well, it's most likely going to be a quadratic. Part B, if the function is of the form ax squared plus bx plus c, would the function have a greater than 0 or less than 0? Well, they say it has a maximum, so a has to be negative. Use the model from part B, or if the model from part B used x as the number of years past 2004, explain why the model would have to have b positive and c positive. Well, number of years past 2004, that means x equals 0, and then larger is only more and more positive, so b has to be greater than 0. And c is your y-intercept, and that's going to be how much you have in 2004, and it's not going to be a negative number, so it's going to cross somewhere, so c has to be positive. 48, women in the workforce, they give you an equation, tells you how many percentage of total workforce that's female is given for selected years from 1970. T equals the number of years since 1970. You graph the function, looks like this. Identify the maximum point. Well, you've got your equation, plug in your negative b over 2a, and you get 52.78. Plug that into the function and you get 48.65. There's your vertex. Your maximum point is the vertex here. And what year is the percentage of women projected to be at its maximum? Well, it's this plus 1970. And so you can round that up or round that down, doesn't matter. The year's either 2022 or 2023.